In this tutorial, we will create a Flutter Drawing app with the help of AI. In this app, you can draw and color anything using your finger, create shapes, and even save the image to the gallery. Without AI, this would take a lot of time, but with AI, we can build it in just a few minutes. We are using Antigravity, so go to antigravity.google.com and download it. Open Antigravity. We need to install the Dart and Flutter extensions. Go to Settings and install both extensions. Now open Antigravity and select or create a folder for a new project. Next, we run a prompt to create the app. This prompt creates a Flutter application that allows users to draw on the screen using touch input. Run the prompt and accept all permissions. The app is now created. Select a device to run the app. If you have an emulator installed, select it. Otherwise, choose the Chrome browser. Then go to the Run menu and run the app. Yes, now we can draw anything on the screen. We can also clear the drawing using the Clear button. Next, we add another prompt to include a color palette and a slider to control the brush size. Run the prompt and then run the app again. Now we can draw using different colors. And the slider helps us adjust the stroke size. Next, I run another prompt to add shapes like circle, rectangle, and line. Run the prompt. Now we can see all the shapes and the drawing tool. Select a shape and place it on the canvas. Now we want to move the shapes. Use this prompt to enable dragging functionality. Run the app. Now we can select a shape and drag it to change its position. Next, we add resizing functionality. Use this prompt and run the app. Select a shape, then use the corner handle to resize it. Click and drag the handle to expand or shrink the shape. Now I run another prompt to fill shapes with color. Run the app again. Draw a shape, select a color, and fill it. Next, I add a text tool. This allows us to type text on the canvas. We can also change the text color and size. Run the prompt and run the app. Select the text tool, enter text, and adjust its size using the slider. You can also change its color. Now I have a small assignment for you. Pause the video here and try to create a prompt to save the image to the gallery. Now I will show you how to do it. I create a prompt to save the image and run it. Then run the app. I create a drawing and click the Save button. The image is saved. Now let's check the gallery. Yes, the image is saved successfully. Don't stop here. Try to improve your drawing app with your own ideas. Add more features and explore more possibilities. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and support the channel. Thank you for watching.